What is going on, guys? So we've got the guys from Bases for You back again today. This time they're going to be laying a garden path and patio. I've got the new workshop installed on the base that they done for me originally. If you want to check out that video, you ain't seen it already, there's a video on the shed base pour and the shed installation. Now the guys are back again today, and obviously I do the e-bikes and motorbikes on YouTube. I want to connect the garden so I haven't got to go through the mud, and I just want the quickest method possible. They're putting in, I think, C30 grade concrete with fibres in it. It's very strong. This stuff should be done in and out within, well, you'll see today how long this takes. It's probably the quickest method of getting a garden path in. It's not quite started yet, but it's 8:15 in the morning, and yeah, I'm just going to crack straight on. Going to take you outside the front now, video the pump out the front and show the route through the house and how that's all done, and then get the drone up, get the footage of the guys pumping it in and screen it off.
Retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it. Like a disease, bring them to their knees. They'll take for their disease. Rage is like a weed, spread into the streets. It's time to make them bleed. 'Cause we just want retribution. Let's go light up the darkness. Make true of an empty promise. Flip cards in the weak and harmless. Take to the streets and turn them to a mosh pit. 'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.
Right, it's been about 3 hours now. It's just after 10 or so. Guys have stopped for a bit. They've given it a quick level up with some rough sawn timber. I think they're just going to let it go off a little bit before they start working it a bit more. But yeah, it's all quick progress. Quick progress getting this done. This is definitely one of the main reasons why I like to get the concrete poured in. You haven't got days or weeks of you know, certain things like paving slabs and other things can be a lot more involved and a lot more costly. Might not quite have the same finish as a, you know, slab patio area, but it's in my opinion a lot quicker, a lot cheaper, more affordable, faster. Right, the guys have done a brush effect on the path. Not able to do the brush effect unfortunately on the patio because it's just too big, I think, to reach across. Lee's finished floating the bottom large area in front of the workshop and just finishing the edging tool now. Right guys, pretty much done now. It's just finishing up a little bit of ball floating, so I'm going to finish up this video now by saying thanks to Bases for You for coming out and doing this. Lee behind me. Leave the info on the description if you're interested in getting some concrete work done by them. W&H Roads for supplying the concrete. I'll leave the links in the video description if anyone's interested in getting any work done by them guys, supplying concrete, doing the shed bases, etc. But as you can see, it's pretty quick. You know, I'm not sure whether potentially maybe you can get paved done in around about the same time. I just find it a lot more straightforward, a bit more cost effective. There's a kind of maintenance as well with it, you know, certain types of block paving, you get weeds coming through and things like that. Concrete isn't quite as pretty, but it's just very sort of low maintenance, easy, quick. Doesn't look too bad now. It's been broken up into sections as I put some wood in between in the path, put a brush effect down the path. It's got it broken up nicely. I might finish off with some railway sleepers. I've got some behind me. There's certain things I can do. I might even end up putting some porcelain tiles over the top at some point if that's possible. It's quite a flat area to work with, so that could be an option in the future. But yeah, anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Just gonna leave with a few clips. I'm gonna put the drone up, see the whole job from an aerial view, and I'll see you guys in the video soon. Take it easy.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.